Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a butter bean and potato salad that also includes broccoli, cauliflower, leek and red pepper. For the roasted veg, I'm going to use vegetable seasoning powder, and since there are many mixes, flavors and brands to choose from, just use the one you have or most prefer. As you'll see, this is a fantastic salad to serve as a main course or for packing into a lunchbox. Also, just to let you know, if you'd like to try other new recipes, check out my cookbook, Green Recipes for All, Mediterranean-inspired vegan and vegetarian dishes, which is available to buy at all Amazon marketplaces. To know more about the book, follow the links here on this video or across the channel. And so, back to today's recipe, we're going to start by setting the oven grill to high heat. Then, after washing the baby potatoes, put them in a steamer. You can also boil them on the stove if you prefer. The cooking time may vary depending on the size and method you use, but it should take around 25 minutes to cook. While the potatoes cook, prepare the vegetables. Cut the larger broccoli florets in half and leave the smaller ones whole. Then, do the same with the cauliflower and rinse everything under cold water. Trim off the root of the leek and the coarse dark green of the top. Remove any damaged outer leaves, cut the leek into slices and then rinse well to remove any trapped dirt. Also, deseed one small red pepper and cut into small strips. Now, put all the vegetables into a shallow large roasting tray in one single layer. Add the seasoning powder, add a pinch of salt, but not much, since quite often these types of seasonings already include some salt, and drizzle with some olive oil. Finally, lightly toss everything together. Put the tray on the oven's top shelf and grill for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and start to char on the edges. In the meantime, check if the potatoes are cooked. Pierce them with a fork or knife, and if it slides easily to the center, they're done. Remove the potatoes from the steamer or pan and let them cool for a few minutes. Then, peel them and cut into bite-sized pieces or slices. Put into a large serving bowl, add the drained and rinsed beans, and drizzle with a little chilli oil, or if you prefer, regular extra virgin oil. Give it a stir and then add the roasted veg. Torn a few basil leaves and sprinkle into the salad. Gently combine everything, taste and adjust seasoning according to your preference. You can serve this salad warm or at room temperature and accompanied by olive bread or garlic baguette if you wish. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy to make bean salad. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.